Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings, then navigate to security and find face recognition. You need your current PIN or fingerprint to make changes, so have that ready. Once done, tap the face entry list to view saved profiles. This is where removal begins. Make sure you're on the primary user account because face data ties to that profile. If you have multiple face entries, decide which to remove now to avoid repeating steps later. You now select the registered face profile you want removed, and the phone asks for verification. Provide your PIN or fingerprint. Once verified, choose Delete or Remove. The system will warn that facial unlock will be disabled. Tap Confirm and wait for the process to finish. This usually takes a few seconds. After removal, check that face unlock shows no entries and that lock screen methods still include PIN or pattern. If you use multiple profiles, repeat these exact steps for each one. Finish by verifying the face list is empty and toggling off face unlock if present, so the phone won't attempt facial authentication. Make sure alternative lock methods like PIN, pattern, or fingerprint are active to avoid being locked out. If the face option reappears or removal fails, reboot the phone first. Still failing, clear biometrics or security app cache and settings apps show system apps, then force stop and clear data. If problems persist, contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.